Hi there, it's Alan here, the Digital Mentor, and I want to talk to you about a brand new service that we are providing here at the Digital Mentor. Basically, what I'm talking about is that we all know that people are very busy when it comes to their business, and they don't have enough time to create social media graphics, to make sure that the profiles are up to date, to have, if they have a podcast, to making sure that the graphics are right, if they want to create ebooks or they want to create audio content for their social media or for their digital marketing across the board. Well, that's the services that I'm providing here on the Digital Mentor website. So I wanted to just jump on today and just give you an idea of what we have in. Now, I would ask you to make sure that you do read down through the webpage, but what I wanted to do is just give you a brief overview of what we're talking about. So we have a number of different sections that we're dealing with. We are able to help you with your branded social media graphics. Yes, that's graphics that you need to stop the scroll on social media, and graphics that will stand out for your content as well. So we provide that. There's fantastic opportunities there and different obviously packages as well. So do check that out. We also have the all-in-one marketing bundle. You know what it is? You're trying to create consistency across all of your digital platforms. So that includes your social media, your website, your email signature. Huge part of your digital footprint as well. And we provide all of these type of graphics that you can add in, and that's what we call it, the all-in-one marketing bundle. We also do professional profile packs as well. And these professional profile packs are really beneficial if you are going to be interviewed or going to be a guest on a podcast or something. You can just send this professional profile pack to the producer or to the researcher or whoever it is that you're dealing with, and you can give them all of your details in that. You can literally expand and give them a whole breakdown of who you are. So that's all to do in the professional profile packs. We also are doing social media banners. So I noticed lately that a lot of people are using LinkedIn, but yet they don't have a professional banner on their LinkedIn profiles or on their company pages, and sometimes even on their other social media platforms. So we're offering that service as well. We also are doing podcast graphics and audio content as well, whether that be sound bites or else you can have your full production suite. We're offering that as well. We also are doing the ebook creation and development. Yes, indeed. It is a huge opportunity and it's a huge lead magnet is to have your ebooks out there. So well worth checking out. And if you're interested, it is definitely an option that is that's great for creating, for building your database and building your lists, and also for lead generation as well. And then finally, we have also are doing the audio content creation. So if you wanted to create some audio for your social media or for your website, we have that opportunity there for you. And we also can have particular narrators if you wanted to as well. We have that option there. We also, if you are a DJ or a presenter and you have a radio show and you're looking for radio jingles, we also provide them, and that's all included in the audio content creation package as well. So I just wanted to give you a brief overview of all of the different options that are available on the digital services page, and I hope this is of benefit to you. If you do like what you hear here and you are interested and you wanted to learn more, you can click on each of the different sections. There is a learn more section in that at the bottom of each section. So just click on that and it goes into a lot more detail on the particular pages, and it sort of dedicates that page to it. You can also book and schedule in a call with me. It's a free discovery call, and we can discuss what services you require, and we can even can give you a bit of guidance as well as to what we can actually help you with as well. So I look forward to getting to chat with you. And if you need any more information, do email me, alan@thedigitalmentor.ie, or else just as I said, you can book schedule a call with me and we can discuss in more detail. Please do share this out with your community as well, and let them know that these services are available. I shall talk to you soon. Have a great day, and as I always say, be social. On the next time. Bye bye.